In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Read Aloud voice in ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm over at ChatGPT and I'm signed into my account. You need to make sure to sign into your account to be able to change the voice. Alright, so from here, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT a quick question. Give me a short paragraph of interesting facts about ChatGPT. Now I'm going to go ahead and press play and read aloud so you can hear what their voice.
ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot developed by OpenAI.
Alright, so that's their voice. So in order to change the voice, we need to click onto our user profile, top right hand corner of the page, and then click into settings. Little settings box should appear like this. From here in the general tab, it's going to say theme, language, spoken language, and voice. So this is where we can change the voice. So if we want to change this from Maple to someone else, we can do that. So if I want to change Maple to say Spruce, and then also we can preview that voice here by pressing play.
Hey, how's it going? I'm looking forward to working together.
So yeah, that's how to change the Read Aloud voice inside ChatGPT.